This is our precision hot runner coil forming machine. Thermostatic winding integrated heating module. Ensure that the enameled wire is wrapped in a softened state. Avoid damaging the insulation layer. Multi-layer winding supports coaxial winding. Inner conductive layer 加 outer shielding layer. Tension closed loop adjustment, real-time tension control. Through magnetic powder break to adapt to different wire diameters. Adaptive wiring AI vision detects coil gaps. Automatically adjust the cable density, accuracy 0.01 毫米. If you have similar requirement, welcome to contact us.